Good morning and welcome back to the Entrepreneur Guide. Entrepreneur Guide is a guide that I've created to share my story about how I went from wannabe entrepreneur to actually become an entrepreneur. What was the skill set that I had to acquire and what was the mindset that I had to develop to be able to make this transition. We are currently on the chapter 2, and the chapter 2 is about the mindset and the qualities that you need to have as an entrepreneur to be able to succeed. Today we're going to talk about the part 7, which is about the sacrifice you need to make as an entrepreneur to be able to succeed. I have learned through my journey to become an entrepreneur that whenever you want to accomplish something in life, there's always going to be sacrifices to make. There's always going to be a price to pay to get what you want out of life. Whenever you commit to succeed in something in life, whether it's entrepreneurship or it's something in life in general, there's always going to be a price to pay. And the price to pay is the sacrifices you have to make to be able to get there. For instance, if you want a paycheck, you have to get a job. If you want some big muscles, you have to go to the gym to punish yourself and get the big muscles. Those are always going to be a sacrifices to make to get what you want to get in life. Those who are willing to make those sacrifices will succeed and get what they want, but those who are not willing to make those sacrifices will not get it. So I've realized that there's 3 types of sacrifices we have to make to get what we want out of life. We have to sacrifice our time, we have to sacrifice money, and we have to sacrifice effort. Time is one of the most important sacrifices we have to make to get what we want out of life, because time is very precious. Time is one of those things that when you lose it, it's gone. You can't get it back. So your time is very important. So giving up your time to be able to get what you want out of life will be one of the most important sacrifices you have to make. You need your time to be able to work on your dreams and goals to be able to get what you want to get in life. So in your journey to be able to get what you want out of life, you need to use your time wisely so you can have enough of it to be able to invest in the things that are important to you. So for me, I do my best to invest my time on the things that are pushing me towards my goal in life and doing my best to stay away from everything that's pulling me away from my goals. Being able to use your time wisely is one of the most important things you have to do to be able to get what you want to get in life. This means that you can be using your time in activities that are not benefiting your goals and dreams, and you cannot be spending your time with people who are not really benefiting you. The second sacrifice you have to make to be able to get what you want in life most of the time is money. Money, just like time, is very important. You need money to be able to invest in your company. You need money to be able to keep yourself alive while you're working to be able to get what you want to get in life. So you have to use your money wisely, just like your time. You have to use your money wisely so you can save enough of it. Whatever you make, you have to save enough of it to be able to have enough to invest in yourself, to learn, to grow, and also to invest in your business, to grow your business. So for me, the easy way not to waste your money is just make sure I'm not spending my money on the thing that I don't need. If I feel like something that I don't need, I don't buy it. If I don't need it right now, just stay away from it until you need it and go buy it. This will allow you to be able to save your money and use it where you actually need it, like in your business, or to invest in yourself to be able to grow and become the person that you want to become. The third sacrifice you have to make to be able to get what you want to get in life is effort. No big accomplishment can be accomplished without effort. Nobody was ever able to accomplish something meaningful without putting a huge amount of effort. Most of the time, the reason why we are afraid to try something is also we are scared of the amount of effort we have to put in. And we get lazy and we just don't try it. But the reality is, if you have ambition and you want things out of life, you have to work. You have to work hard, and there's no other way around that. It's important to have talent, but work can make a huge difference. That's all the 3 sacrifices that I think somebody can make to actually be able to get what they want to get in life. Before I let you go, I just want to leave you one last question. Tell me, what is the most important sacrifice somebody has to make to be able to get what they want to get in life? I will see you in the next video to talk about how to get out of your comfort zone. Bye bye.